This could be the car for you. The 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, sunroof, heated mirrors, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, backup camera. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.